So your last question, second question is
Sir,
what is the cost? So
Yes.
yeah,
Beyond this,
I just say your second question, what is the cost to increase that type of issue? So
Yes.
the answer is unknown cost. Only the metabolism issues. Some people suffer with the same issue. Some people eating the non-veg food, still they are recover, still no issue with the problem, no issue. But some people are suffering the issue with that. This is a metabolic issues. No need to worry. Live with the problem, but avoid junk food. Oh, sorry, non-vegetarian food. And after some time, that type of issue automatically resolves because your metabolism going to well. Then after you would be relinquished of your current issue.
sir, I have another question. So many time in my neck, sir, doing cough, sir, making cough. What is the reason, sir?
Cough.
Cough, sir.
Yeah, that means you are coughing. You are talking about coughing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Coughing. Yeah. This is because some people are live the overcrowded areas and the lungs going to compromise. Lungs
Sir,
going to
regularly,
compromise. That type of people.
sir, regularly in
Yes, go
the,
ahead. Complete your question.
sir, in the my neck, regularly making cough, sir.
Okay. No need to worry, sir. You will have to get up early morning, go for the morning walk, and do anulom vinulom. That is the exercise which is helpful for increase your lung volume and doing for running, but increase very successive way, not hurry. Go for morning walk and increase your strength, and you will be get rid of your current issues, right? Because that type of issues it comes people who live in the overcrowded areas, and the AQI level especially in India is too high because industrialization is too well. AQI more than 500, 450, 600, and finally we are passively involved with the toxic gas, and what will happen? Lungs going to compromise. So you can easily see in the second wave of the COVID, some people are easily prone to die. The reason behind lungs is compromised. Our immunity is
Sir, your voice
compromised.
is not clear.
I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
I think
Yeah.
Hansraj also
So okay. So first of all, you will have to improve your immunity. If you're doing exercise and the running, your immunity going high, and add some fiber. Avoid the non-vegetarian. So you will be a recover from your current issue. That means you are suffering the cough because of expectoration production in the lungs. And whenever you get up, you feel the coughing, and coughing with the thick mucus. The reason is AQI, that means air quality index is too poor. Some people involved with the smoking, and some people prone with the toxic fumes. So that is a consequences. To go for the exercise and add healthy food, avoid junk food, meat avoid. So you will be a recover from your current issue, current both issues.
okay. Now listen, unmute yourself. Listen.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Okay, Hansraj, I think it's sufficient for you, and after that, some person they will complete, and after that, I will give up chance. Okay, move. Yeah, now Hansraj.
Okay.
Sorry, listen.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, my question is very normal question, sir. Sir, how to control my mind, sir? Whenever I read anything, and sir, I read anything, so sir, my mind is not there. I always think about like this because nowadays my exam going to come. So whenever I read any books, So my mind is not there, and I always think like, okay, I have to speak English and I have to learn English, and so my mind is not work at that time. Sir, what should I do?
Okay, great. This is very good question. And sir, you involve with your exam in the mind. There are the conscious, the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind think about exam, how to tackle, how to crack the exam. And right now you are reading the book, right? You are reading the some life changes book or your college book.
College books.
What book
College
you
book, yeah,
reading?
others book.
College book. Others book. I think you will have to avoid the you will have to avoid others book. Focus on your college book and read very carefully. But patience and the consistency. This is a key to get success. So avoid unnecessary thing. Avoid talking. Avoid each and everything. So main goal, you will have to break, you will have to complete your exam, you will have to pass. So focus only on your books, avoid talking, avoid conversation, avoid meeting, each and everything. You will have to focus on your exam, and nothing more than that. And sometimes talk with a friend, but not more. But consistency and patient, that is the key to get success. Are you getting my answer?
Yes, sir, I got it. I got it, sir.
Great. Yeah, do hard work, best of luck, and
Thank you,
do
sir.
good.
Okay, now
Thank you,
now
sir.
Khushbu Kumari, unmute yourself. Khushbu,
Yeah, yes, sir.
yeah, you can ask.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Okay, sir. Sir, my question is that I have lot of headache. When I thought that when I used to phones and mobiles and I was operating mobile, that time I have facing problem. But still, I thought that it's not my problem to while operating phone, but it's also happening with me regularly, so it is my very, I think it is my very big problem. So please suggest me something.
Okay, first of all, ma'am, how many are you expose your screen in a day?
Sir, yes, sir. Actually, nowadays I have to attend my college classes, 4 college classes, and this time I also attend class. So a whole day and a night I use phone, I think 6 to 7 hours.
So you can better understand, because right now you are more exposure of the electromagnetic radiation. This is not the good for the health and also your brain, because during your exposure of the radiation, like radiation we can get by the mobile, via laptop, right, or via television, and you are exposed 5 to 6 hours. That is a major issue. Your eye muscles, your brain muscles, that means your head muscles going to fatigue, that means weak, that is tired. So you will have to rest and take less exposure of the screen. If you are going to expose more screen time, that is the cause to increase your eye number. And sometimes people complaining the issue of the migraine, that is a half head headache. So you should consult the ophthalmology for the eye number, that means vision check, and take rest, avoid as soon as possible screen time. It's more important. You are too young, don't go with the screen time. If you are excessive use, so it might be cause some other fatal issues. So be cautious, be careful about your health. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. But sir, means one day before 6 7 years ago, I checked to my eyes and headache problem to doctor. Then doctor suggest me and gave me sunglasses. So that time I used sunglass, but now still I don't use. So can I means can I means can I help to doctor and
Yeah, ma'am. Currently, you will have to go with the ophthalmologist and they check the pressure of eye and the vision. Then after suggest some respective number, which that number will be suitable for your eyes and avoid screen time because you are talking about you have suffered with the eye issue in the previous time. So it is
yeah.
a mandatory wearing a specs. Right now I am wearing a spec because I want to less exposure of the screen time. This is not well our mind. This is not well our health because our body health is important as well as our mental health is also important. So if you are suffering the headache, that is a cause of excessive use of screen time. So maintain the distance. Whatever anytime you use the screen time, so maintain the distance. And wearing the glass, it would be helpful for your current problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Welcome.
And now Jitendra Yadav, Jitendra, unmute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Jitendra, you have any questions?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir.
Sir, my question is nowadays we saw that everyone is trouble by back pain and sciatica problem, and how can we remove it? What is and what should we do for sciatica and back pain? And
Okay.
and question, what is sciatica? What is sciatica in detail? So tell me, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sciatica, that is the nerve. Sciatica, that is a condition which is placed in the name of nerve, sciatic nerve, which is passed from the back of leg. It it comes from the lumbar spine and then passes from the back of thigh and the back of leg. So some people complaining the pain the one leg behind the one leg. So that is the cause of compression, the sciatic nerve. This is very common. So the people don't know what are the cause, what are the mechanism to enhance the pain and the provoking pain. This is the major cause of poor habit of eating. We eat unnecessary, irrelevant thing, like some people eating non-veg like chicken. But chicken, it is a good sometime for the increase the vitamin D and helpful for your body building. That means the protein. This is a body blocker. But we don't know what are the bad impact. We eat chicken very commercial purpose. That means we eating chicken, we get chicken from the shop and the shopkeeper production of the chicken as a commercial purpose. Chicken well formed within a 22 days or sometime 23, but actual chicken, if you are pet chicken in your home, it will take 6 to 7 months for the adultery, right? For the chicken.
Yes.
So poultry worker, they just told they eat for food to chicken anabolic steroid. This is also not helpful for the body because that chicken eating and they develop whole body within 22 days and you eat chicken and the passively chicken indulge in the body and finally cause bone fragile. Bone fragile, if you are move forward, that is a cause of this bulging. And this bulge causes the compression of the sciatic nerve and the patient complaining the pain in the back. One leg. So it is important to get the natural sources and the natural source of food like white part of egg and cheese and butter, or sorry, not butter or cheese and the milk. That means the rich sources of vitamin D. Or the other thing, avoid forward bed lifting, avoid heavy bed lifting, forward bending, upstairs, don't running, don't move, don't walking prolong, because this is a cause to increase, this is a cause to provoke the sciatic pain. So you will have to use LS bed, lumbo-corsette bed. This is also helpful for reduce the movement in the spine, lumbar spine, right? And some exercise recommended by the respected physiotherapist. As I know, some people suffering the pain in the back. So, sir, are you suffering the pain in the one leg or two leg?
Only one leg, sir.
Only one leg. So more probably chances the osteophyte formation and compression the pain because of this bulging. So back extension exercise, it would be helpful for your back, and take rest. Back isometric exercise, it is also helpful. If you're feeling pain on your leg, so hot fermentation, it is also helpful for reduce the spas, reduce the toxic which is production in the in the lower back. So hot fermentation with lukewarm water, that means hot bottle available in a medical store, buy and filled with the lukewarm water, apply on your back, and back extension exercise, isometric on back exercise, and avoid forward bending, heavy uplifting. So it would be helpful for your back. And other thing, you will have to consult respected urologist. They would recommend some mecobalamin tablet, 1500 mecobalamin. But the doctor cannot be recommend. I'm not recommend you right now here. The reason I'm not showing your X-ray. It is important to showing X-ray. Then after I recommend some medication. But it's important you will have to go some respected doctor which is sitting in your locality, and then after give some medication, but not medication not too prolonged. If you having pain severe, then take it, otherwise avoid, go for the conservative treatment. That's it. Okay, sir.
Sir, but my friend is vegetarian. He is not eat any chicken, but फिर भी वो इतना परेशान है बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, I understand, sir. This is a problem of the vitamin D deficiency, and sometimes your friend, pick up the heavy weight and your friend back muscles is too weak, and finally, what will happen? What has happened? The intervertebral disc of lumbar spine protrude and causing the compression of the sciatic nerve, and then after they are suffering with the sciatica. So if your friend suffering much more, I think your friend recommend some respected physiotherapist. It would be give some conservative treatment, and finally your friend will recover as soon as possible, right, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah, I think all person have a complete our means question and doubt, and thank you, Afan sir, because Dr. Afan sir, because I know very well, and whatever means everybody ask and you deliver very remarkable point, and because sir it is not my topic, but sir I was listening very carefully. Okay, so really I was means also means observing lots of good thing, how to overcome any bad disease. Okay, and how to means how to apply and good things like you should do exercise, and you should like early morning, and like you can include some fibers and protein. Okay, really sir, it was very fantastic and very helpful to everyone. I think lots of persons they will clear our doubt, and 100% when I will upload in YouTube, 100% hundreds of I think and hundreds of thousands of people when they will watch video, they will they got lots of good things. Yeah.